Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop today. Mini Wooden Classics. Art number T01001 Ford Sedan. Made in Taiwan. Cost me £1.99 in a charity shop. I'm just trying to see if it's got a brand name on it. I've just cut my nails, they're all a bit short. There we are. Optical Fantasies. Ventor. That's down in Cornwall, I think. UK. Not suitable for small children. Contents: assembly instructions, 3 sheets of plywood, 1 sheet of sandpaper, 2 metal bars, 1 tube of glue, and 2 rubber bands. Now normally I'd put this sort of thing in the car to do when I'm waiting for my wife, but I just rather fancied having a go at it. I would think that glue is probably, I think congealed is the best word to use. Yeah, I can squeeze it out, but it's solid. Yeah, that's solid. So I do have some white glue that I could use, but I won't. I'll use super glue, which means I have to get it right, because you don't get time to rearrange things with super glue. A bit of foam packaging. Yeah, well, that's just to make it thicker. Okay, so we're missing stuff from the description. We've got 2. Where were we? Assembly instructions, yes. That's actually quite complicated, isn't it? Two rubber bands, that's what caught my interest. I just wondered what the rubber bands were for. But I'm not seeing 2 rubber bands. In my heart, I was hoping it might just have happened to be a rubber band powered car. But it's not. Okay, assembly instructions. Identify the reference numbers of the parts as illustrated in the layout of the plywood sheets and compare to the assembly diagram. For convenience of assembly, the parts may be marked lightly with corresponding numbers using pencil. Carefully press out the parts, sand the corners, assemble in numerical order according to the diagram and the photo on the package. Use white craft glue that dries clear. Use iron drill to enlarge the location where the iron bar passes through in order to facilitate revolution of the wheel axle. Allow glue parts to stand for at least 10 minutes to set. Adhesion can be facilitated by temporary use of adhesive tape and/or rubber bands. So that's what the rubber bands were for. After the glue has set and parts are secure in position, scrape away any remaining traces of glue. Polish the area where the glue has removed, where the glue was removed with sandpaper. Models can be coloured before, during or after assembly using paint or crayons. Okay, so basically it is the same as all the other ones I do. You just do it in order. So Number 1 is that bit. Number 2, where are we? Number 2, oh, they haven't actually numbered the slots. Well, that's a bit naughty. So number 2 is there. That's number 2. Okay, let's go for it. It's nice feeling wood. That probably sounds odd. But that's, it's nice and smooth. It's not rough like some of these are quite rough to touch. Okay, so number 2, that piece. Yeah, they're not tight fits like the other ones that I do. Oh gosh, the super glue's gone. Stuck. Lid stuck on. So, number 2. Oh dear, that's running a bit. That's what I would call a very loose fit. Okay, we don't actually want it to stick to the floor either. Number 3. 3. Looking at this piece in order, that'll be number 3. Where does number 3 go? Number 3 goes there. If I just stuck number 2 in the wrong place, I've stuck number 2 in the wrong place. Pay attention, Grandad. No, that was the right place. Yeah, that was the right place. Okay, we'll do that again. So there must be 2 pieces of wood going where number 3 is. Oh, I can see it now. So number 3 goes there and then another piece goes behind it, which must be number 4. It is number 4. There we are, finished article. It actually looks quite nice. Yeah, not bad. So that was the Ford Sedan. And as I say, I am certain they've got those bits the wrong way round. In fact, they've got quite a mess just there when you look at it. I reckon they dropped it on the floor just before they took the picture, because that front bit's broken off. But that's definitely the wrong way round. That'll do. Job done. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.